Most people think you need to sell something to make money on Instagram, but what if I told you that you can make money without selling anything at all? No products, no services, just smart strategies that actually work. I've analysed hundreds of Instagram pages that make thousands every month without selling anything. By the end of this video, you'll know the secret income streams Instagram pages use to make money passively, the easiest ways to monetize without pushing products, and the best part, you don't need a massive following to make this work. Step 1. Leverage Instagram's creator programs. Instagram actually pays you to create content, but most people aren't using these features correctly. Here's how you can get paid directly by Instagram. 1. Reels bonus program. Instagram pays creators for viral reels. Even small pages can make money if their content performs well. 2. Instagram subscriptions. Offer exclusive content. You don't have to sell anything, just provide value. A lot of small creators ignore these features, but they're one of the simplest ways to get paid. Step 2. Get paid for brand deals without selling. You don't need to sell anything to land brand deals. Many companies will pay you just to feature their content in a post or story. Here's how it works. Brands want exposure, not just sales. They pay for brand awareness. If you have an engaged audience, companies will sponsor your content without expecting you to sell their product. Even small pages with 5,000 to 10,000 engaged followers can start getting paid collaborations. Pro tip: you don't need to wait for brands to find you. Reach out to companies in your niche and offer to showcase their product in an organic way. Step 3. Make money with traffic arbitrage. This is a hidden strategy that people use to make thousands per month without selling anything. Here's how traffic arbitrage works. 1. You post engaging content on Instagram. 2. You drive traffic to a blog or website. This could be yours or someone else's. 3. The website earns money through ads. 4. You get paid a cut for every visitor you send. Some Instagram pages earn passive income just by sharing viral posts that direct traffic to ad-heavy websites. Step 4. Build an engaged community and get paid for shoutouts. Once you have an active audience, people will pay you for shoutouts. Unlike brand deals, shoutouts don't require contracts. You just promote another page for a fee. Here's how you can do this even with a small page. Focus on engagement over follow count. A page with 10,000 active followers can make more than a page with 100,000 inactive ones. Target niche pages. Instead of trying to sell shoutouts to big brands, look for smaller pages that want exposure. Charge per story, post, or pinned comment. Many pages earn money just by tagging other accounts in their captions. Step 5. Beehive boosts. I explained this earning method in my previous video, which you can watch here. That's it, sayonara.